Hey everybody, it's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the Heartland Pioneer BH280. A great, large, entry-level camper, especially if you got a large family and you're done with tent camping, laying on the ground. You want to upgrade a little bit. Speaking of upgrade, I wanted to start back here in the master bedroom so you could see exactly what you would be living in. You have the shaker-style cabinets, which give you plenty of storage space up above the bed. And they are the opposing doors, so they can be opened on both sides with ease. Got the ward storage over here where you can do your hanging. Got the nightstands over there, and of course you got power plugs on both sides, giving you plenty of space and options if you had a CPAP machine or if you had lights you wanted to plug in. And underneath the master bed, lots of storage space. This is great for if you want to put your hiking backpacks in, maybe your fishing gear, your hunting gear. You got good room there and also throughout the entire camper. Right here on this back wall is where you would have the TV mount. Got your cable connection there and power port here, and of course your sliding pocket door for the master bedroom here. Now, let's make our way through the rest of the camper. Main entry door right here. And of course, these are your controls for your awnings and your slide, as well as the main lights. See those right there. And when you enter this camper, the thing I liked about it, were right as you enter, you have a large mudroom. So if you want to put your keys, want to put, your phone, wallet, watch, whatever, maybe some of your hiking gear, you got room there, a little pantry thing here, and a nice big mirror to make sure, oh, just got finished hiking the mountains, got mud all over my face. Might want to get that cleaned off. Storage space underneath, once again, with these wood shaker style cabinets. But the other feature was this large pantry, or as my cameraman Bob says, look, I can fit a Bob in here. These corner notches give you so much more space without taking up as much space as a regular pantry would. So if you need to do the extended trip, maybe it's the week-long vacation, or you just want to go stay with the family but don't want to stay in their house, this is a tremendous option. We're going to go right over here to the booth dinette, U-shaped dinette. Plenty of room. If you got 6 people or more, they can sit here. This does convert down to a bed, which can easily sleep 2 people. But look at all the table space that I have here. If I want to do the meals, play the cards, play the games, or just sit back, watch the TV, entertain, talk about the hike, the hunt, the fish, whatever. You got large windows with the cloth balances all around this slide here in the living room slide. Residential features with the lights and the lampshade right there. Come across on the campside, we have the kitchen that has plenty of prep space here with the 2 50-50 deep well stainless steel sinks with the brushed nickel fixtures. Got the 3-burner Furrion stove, which has the glass cover, which doubles as a splash guard too. And if you notice, this is flush mounted. It's recessed, so you don't have everything up top. It's easier to slide across and around because it's flushed in. Got the silver fixtures as far as the knobs go. And of course, that storage and space is going to continue throughout this entire camper. Up here is where you have your pantry storage. And if you notice with these shaker style cabinets, they got these grooved inlays that they put in there that they give it a residential type of feel. Come over to the refrigerator, which runs on both gas and electric. And you're going to see that's plenty of space to store the drinks that the family's going to need for those weekends and trips. Now, probably my favorite feature about this camper, the entertainment nook, as I like to call it. You got the frosted glass in the shaker cabinets for your storage here. Large HD 4K TV. Got your Bluetooth stereo system here with 2 charging ports underneath. Storage here for your components if you want to do satellite, cable, and of course those shaker style cabinets with more storage underneath. Pantry storage here. And the drawers, they are on the ball bearings, so it makes them really easy to slide in and out, and they're finished solid wood. They come all the way out, giving you just more nice extra features. Got your LP detector there, got your panel right there with your fuses. And the bunks, with this being the BH280, these rear bunks on the campsite can hold 200 pounds maximum, so easily an adult. Got the 3-inch thick foam, the plush teddy bear mattresses on there. And if we take a look under the bottom one, we do have some storage underneath. So if you wanted to put some of your fishing gear down there, hunting gear, that's a great spot for it. Got the residential flooring and the heating ducts inside the floors, which with their 35,000 BTU furnace really does a good job at making sure that one side of the camper isn't colder than the other. Sometimes the main bedroom will be 70 degrees while back here it'd be 57. Doing it like this really makes it even heated. Come back to the rear bath and you're gonna see a little bit cramped, but not too bad. I still have plenty of leg room over here. Got the foot flush toilet, storage underneath, the single basin sink. Got a charging port here, plug, got the handle there, mirrored medicine cabinet that's in the corner that gives you a little bit of space. And as far as the shower, this is what I was worried about when I first saw this camper. I came in, I said, ooh, I might be kind of cramped back here, but I'm not. I'm over 6'2", and I got plenty of room. I'm not gonna be knocking my knuckles. Got the single surround shower here with the corner notches on both sides, so plenty of room to store your shampoos, your soaps, your conditioners, whatever you need, and arm room. You're not gonna be cramped taking a shower inside this BH280. So I wanted to finish off the living area with the jackknife sofa. Yes, you do have the frosted glass shaker style cabinet storage up above, and you got the nice big bay window behind it, but this thing, when I came in, I sat on it, I was like, okay, Heartland, comfortable, plush, leather, extends out. You open up this window at night and let that cool mountain breeze come in, or lake breeze, wherever you go, as long as it's not like 40 degrees below zero. This is gonna be a comfortable, good sleep for somebody. Easily one adult, maybe two, but it would be a tight fit. So we've seen the inside of this 2020 Heartland Pioneer BH280. A lot of bang for the buck inside this camper. Let's take a look on the outside. Okay, folks, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Heartland Pioneer BH280. Great bang for the buck family camper, especially if you're looking to do some entertaining inside and out. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Diamond plated rock guard right below the aluminum exterior. Got your battery mount right here, 220-pound LP tanks. Power tongue jack with LED light, really helpful when it comes to setting this camper up. And as we make our way to the campsite, I want you to check out this pass-through storage. That is finished. Lots of storage for hunting gear, hiking gear, fishing gear, pretty much anything you need. Got the plastic clip which holds the door up. Very nice feature here. Power stabilizer jacks both in the front and the rear. So if you want to extend and retract, plus you have that sealed underbelly underneath. Got the fold-up retractable metal stairs here, and there's a LED light under the door, which helps at night. You won't be tripping. Just gives you some extra security and safety when you're coming and going. Got the solid mounted handle. Got the rubber sealed safety glass all the way throughout this camper. And look at the size of the awning, how it stretches almost the entire length of the camper, giving you lots of good coverage for doing that outside entertaining. Plus there's a LED light strip underneath. You got the exterior speakers for entertaining, and over here on the campsite as well. If you wanted to set up a TV outside, you could, because here's your cable plug there. Got your power ports right there. This is your fresh water connection, the back of your furnace. This is a double axle travel trailer, which being a BH280, a bunkhouse large unit, it would be. But entertaining outside and inside. You have an exterior kitchen on this unit. Got the little clean area here with the nozzle for the hot and cold. Got a 2-burner stove. This slides in and locks into place. Plus you have a mini fridge outside for when you just want to store those drinks, or maybe you caught some nice trout, throw them in there when you get done. Come back to the rear. You'll see you got your 4x4 sewer hose storage here. Mounted tailgate system here. This rack comes in so handy when you're talking about moving. You want to put your coolers back here, your bikes back here. This rack is a tremendously awesome feature that Heartland puts on their campers. Kudos to them. Spare tire here. This is set up for backup camera, so if you're ready to do that, just talk to our service folks, they'll help you. And hopefully you can see the roof of this camper is pitched, it's arched. So the elements, the rain, the water, that's not gonna pool up there. And with those 3-inch spouts on both sides, it's just gonna fall off and not get on you, hopefully, but especially not gonna get on the slides or the windows. Exterior shower over here on this side, 30-amp service plug right there. City water connection and black tank flush here. And here are your dumps. You got your gray tank, number 1, sewer outlet connection and wastewater holding tank. You can see very well labeled. Heartland does a good job of making it easy to own and utilize these campers. And as we come back around, you'll see the other side of the pass-through storage there. And right up here, probably the most important thing to check out when looking at any camper, the info panel. This vehicle, gross vehicle weight, is 9,000 pounds. So you always want to check that out. You always want to talk to the RV specialist and say, all right, can my vehicle tow this? What's the actual weight going to be? If we got a 30-gallon water tank, how much is that going to weigh? Let the RV specialist help you out with that. Great bang for your buck, large, good entertainment space, good bunk space, sleeps a lot of people, and a tremendous value, bang for your buck. If that's what you've been looking for to upgrade your camping experience, you want to come check out the Heartland Pioneer BH280. This 2020 model has some really nice features on it. So leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. What'd you like about this camper? What didn't you like? Or where would you like to take it? What's your dream camping experience? I love hearing those. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper.